you can clearly see the impact of the accident and how the debris is scattered around the road, and almost all the windows and doors of the bus are severely damaged. The front portion of the bus, as you can see, has been completely dented and the windshield is no longer intact. The wheel of the bus is also seen to be separated from the bus. With these visuals, it is clear that the accident was very severe. So Arzu, we have those visuals coming to us, really unfortunate. We can see that the impact was very severe when the bus overturned. Could you also help us understand how the police are cordoning off the area, the amount of people that were present when this accident actually happened?
Well, definitely, we are at this spot where the incident has happened, and clearly, these visuals are scary. As you can clearly see, this is the area near Bagh where the incident has taken place, and you can clearly see the debris, the blood stains are on the spot, and it was a huge accident that has happened, and where the double-decker bus has overturned. We can clearly see the shattered piece of window that can clearly be seen, the glasses that have been shattered here, and you can also clearly see some of the clothes of the passengers are lying here, and the incident occurred around 1 a.m. in the morning, or we can say at the late night the incident has happened, and passengers' shoes, slippers, in fact the blood stains are on this spot at this point of time. 2 people have lost their life, and several reported injured, and in fact everybody has been rescued now, has been evacuated, and the bus has also been removed from this place. But as we see, this is the area near the Jhandewalan Devi Mandir, just near the Karol Bagh metro station where the incident has taken place, and we can clearly see these visuals where the bus has overturned and have lost the control. This is what the fire department and what we are getting to know from the officials. So very scary visuals which are coming in from the Karol Bagh area, where we can see, you can clearly see the shoes of a kid can clearly be seen in the visuals. So these are the very sad visuals which we are seeing. Also we can clearly see how the piece of mirror have shattered on the walls. Also we can clearly see this electricity pole has also got broken because of the bus that have hit this particular pole. So definitely these visuals are very scary, and as we were also showing the visuals of the bus which overturned at this place, and these are now the visuals which we are currently showing you from the area, Karol Bagh area, and as we can clearly see now, it's just the debris which are left at this point of time. Yes.